on this earth to stop her momentum, it's the vehicle in front of me.
If you were driving Ladakh, then somebody would have just judged you because you're a woman, right?
Correct, because women
Can't drive. Be careful, the road is ending here, man. Oh my God.
Ever since I can remember, I've had this undying urge to travel. Like an unbound spirit within me, urging me to constantly explore new places. And I've always been partial to road trips because they combine my love for automobiles, adventure, and travel. A vehicle that met all my adventure requirements didn't exist, so I decided to build one. My father, an adventure guru, helped me draw up a wish list of customization. Having owned a Scorpio in the past, I zeroed in on the Scorpio Getaway platform. We then headed to my friend Jaskirat, based in Chandigarh, to transform the Getaway into a fully equipped expedition and adventure vehicle. The vehicle had to have the ability to handle all that nature and terrain could throw at it. First of all, the vehicle needed to have oversized premium tires to provide maximum traction. Then, an auxiliary fuel tank to give maximum range. A front bumper that could take more off-road abuse and protect the vehicle. A heavy-duty electric winch for self-recovery. A suspension lift for additional clearance. Additional lighting for contingency during unavoidable night driving in bad terrain. A 100-litre stainless steel water tank to avoid dependency on external water sources. And last but not least, an easy-to-set-up all-weather rooftop tent. I decided to name the souped-up beast, Super Milo, after my fearless beagle Milo, who was my companion on many adventure trips. Super Milo was born, and what lay ahead would test it to the limit. There was nothing to stop me from going on an adventure. My destination lay in India's extreme north, Ladakh. Having lived there as a child, I've always been fascinated by Ladakh. Ladakh is rugged, the terrain is challenging, and despite having driven there several times from Manali, I'd never had the chance to drive via Kargil and Srinagar. The approach to Ladakh is either from Manali via National Highway 3 or from Srinagar via National Highway 1D. I decided to drive up via Manali and come down via Srinagar. Ladakh was the perfect destination to put Super Milo to test. My journey started from Mumbai. From there, I flew to my hometown, Chandigarh, where I was to rendezvous with my co-traveller, Swati. Swati is a lawyer, a wife, and a mother. This gives her little window to pursue her interests in travel. Going on an adventure trip to Ladakh had always been on her bucket list. I asked her, and she enthusiastically agreed. Jaskirat had done the final checks on the vehicle and brought it to the airport. I was thrilled to be back at the wheel of Super Milo, which was going to be our companion for the rest of the journey, taking on the roads and challenging the stereotypes.
Women can't drive.
नहीं आती वुमन गाड़ी नहीं चला सकती
बिल्कुल नहीं चला सकती
I get kind of scared when I'm sitting next to one.
causing lot of क्या बोलूँ मैं traffic jams.
लेडीज ड्राइवर पे मेरे को तो ट्रस्ट नहीं है.
I think they should not be given license.
We panic. My parking skills are very bad.
They are very confused.
Women cannot drive.
I was to meet Swati on the outskirts of Chandigarh. Then we were to head to Manali and break journey there. Our next stop was going to be Jispa, followed by Sirkar. From there to Leh, a trip to the Nubra Valley and back before heading to Pengongso. From Pengongso, we were going to go to Hanle and then head all the way back to Leh and descend to Kargil and Srinagar.
Hello.
Well, what is this place?
Well, it has good tea and
It has a loo. Look around.
so use it.
Look around.
There's a loo.
or it's the bush.
Okay.
The loo. And what are these shoes, man?
Traveling easy. No,
You don't
for
wear
long
these shoes
journey.
on like off-roading trips.
Long journey.
If somebody stamps you, then
Fine.
They-
The traveling shoes. I mean, like for long journey in the
if
car.
I
right?
stamp your foot, your toes will break. Okay, chalo, let's have chai. Swati was curious and excited. She had a lot of questions, and I tried to answer them as much as I could. Cheers and welcome to the Ladakh run. Our first stop tonight is going to be Manali. It's going to be a bit late because you came late. Thumb rules are leave early and reach your destination before dark, which clearly we are not going to. The weather forecast said rain, so there could be landslides. I think Sukumalo is really equipped as long as something doesn't slide on us. And in this journey, you'll probably have done the top 3 or 4 of the highest motorable passes in the world.
I don't know to be excited or be scared.
My whole thing is, I don't know what lies ahead. Adventure is not about being reckless. It's about being prepared for every contingency.
Responsible.
And then
Yeah.
taking it as it comes. So, are you ready to explore?
Of course. Absolutely ready and excited.
Paratha khaiye. We got to Manali rather late on the first day. Since rest is an important part of safe driving, we slept a full 8 hours and therefore left Manali later than planned. As a result, we were behind schedule even before we started. Before one starts the ascent to most mountain passes in Himachal and J&K, there's a security checkpost where travelers need to register their details. This makes it easier for the authorities to locate someone in distress.
Take it easy, Gul. Easy.
Swati hadn't been exposed to driving in the mountains, so I got to play expert. Cardinal rule of hill driving: always have enough momentum. Be in the gear you want to be. Never negotiate a hairpin bend without trying to see what's coming next. Ideally, uphill traffic has right of way, something this man doesn't understand. But we're women drivers, they don't even like us
Right.
doing
don't
things
think
that...
we can even drive, right?
Yes. Life is full of contradictions. While I was constantly chiding Swati for being late and on us losing too much time, I spotted a mountain dog. And when it comes to animals, all my rules go for a toss.